got the highway calling, dashboard glowing while the rain keeps falling. Hands on the wheel, heart full of dreams. Life ain't always what it really seems. Miles between us, but you're on my mind. I'm counting every exit, counting every line. I'm chasing tomorrow while I'm missing today, but this road keeps calling me away. Every mile I ride, every tear I hide, I'm doing what I gotta do to make a better life for me and you. This is the hustle of a truck driver, working every day just to take us higher, rolling through the darkness till the morning light, giving everything I got with all my might. No one sees the sacrifice or all the lonely sleepless nights. Still I keep these wheels alive, 'cause that's the hustle of a truck driver. Lights fading in my rearview mirror, voice on the phone makes the distance clearer. Every little I miss you keeps me holding on until another long day's gone. Every load I haul, every state I cross comes with victories and a little loss. But when I finally make it home to you, every mile was worth going through. This road can wear me down, but love I survive, the reason that I drive. This is the hustle of a truck driver, working every day just to take us higher, rolling through the darkness till the morning light, giving everything I got with all my might. No one sees the sacrifice or all the lonely sleepless nights. Still I keep these wheels alive, 'cause that's the hustle of a truck driver. A diesel heartbeat underneath the stars. Every highway tells me who we are, strong enough to carry every dream, even when life ain't as easy as it seems. I may be miles away tonight, but my heart's never out of sight. Everything I do, I'm doing it for you. It's the hustle of a truck driver, rolling steady, climbing higher through every storm and every winding road. I'm carrying more than just another load. Hope keeps riding by my side. Faith is always my guide. As long as these wheels keep turning free, this road will always be a part of me. A truck driver, one more mile, one more song, one more night before I'm home. Till then, I'll keep rolling on, living the hustle, the hustle of a truck driver. Nostalgic memory, nostalgic memory.